Yes, thank you for having me. As a Center of Excellence, Muscat, for the period April to June, we didn't have a major course, but we do what we used to do in regular months. We have monthly forums, and we have done 3 monthly forums for these 3 months. And yesterday we have had a very nice actually monthly forum discussion from. It shouldn't be a surprise for you. These are two students from one of the university here in Muscat, and they have done a brilliant job discussing certain weather case. They are from Geotech. This is a German University of Technology, and they discussed a very severe um, uh, westerly wave with a very active thunderstorms and flash flood in 2024, April 16. It was very famous uh, uh, case, I mean, globally being discussed. And for the May and April, we discussed something like the Sand and Dust Storm Regional Center, a talk provided from Dr. Ala from the center there. And we have a new employee, Arwa Al-Hinai. She is very brilliant new meteorologist in our center, and she gave us a talk about the WMO Barcelona Dust Regional Center, the platform, the models, the dust models used there. And April was two talks. There were two talks about one about the dust, a very major and historic dust outbreak over Algeria and part of Western Africa. And this talk was delivered by Hawari from Algerian Meteorological Center. Then we have a short talk from our colleagues, Yunus and Ashal, for a sort of westerly wave also take place on March and on April 2026. And what do we have? We continue for the plan in 2026. Actually, we plan to have a dust course in Arabic online, but we postponed this till the next year for some sudden circumstances. But we proceed with the Marine 3 days event. This is for Middle East and Africa. And we move it actually to July, to 22 July. And this is been discussed the last meeting with you guys. And we are happy that we have a good number of experts to have this short workshop online. It's like a virtual journey to move through the eastern coast of Africa, then the southern coast, the western coast, then crossing the Mediterranean back to Oman through the Red Sea. And actually, there are some slots, some empty slot in yellow. We are looking for experts to give some good talks, whether it's in marine applications or in general satellite application. And anyone from the West, from the Americas, could be will be very welcome. Maybe discussing the coverage of the ghost satellites on the western part of Africa. Yeah, that will be a great pleasure for us. So what else we have? We have a 3-hour workshop in Arabic for the GCC country. GCC stand for Gulf Arabian country. and it is about tropical cyclones and risk hazard and hazard mitigation using satellite application. And we have a plan to have EUMETSAT data service in Arabic, a short workshop online. And locally, we will have a satellite application risk assessment using satellite. Sorry, this is editing mistakes there, but this is satellite application and risk assessment to be delivered locally here in Oman with the collaboration with Oman Space Program. That's it, I think. Yeah, thank you. And I post something for making fun. This is like um, the lightning gets a little too excited and decide to walk in the ground. This is a real thunderstorm, but what's that in the ground? Thank you.
Thank you,
By
Ibrahim,
the
for
by the way,